Can I try VibeVoice with my own example?
Of course. VibeVoice is open source, built to benefit everyone. You're welcome to try it out.
Is that most people get wrong. Imagine I have a function, and there's going to be one special number where if you input it to the function, it returns true, but on Welcome to AI Decoded. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's VibeVoice TTS. Let's decode it together. For more deep dives, don't forget to subscribe.
Microsoft just released a new AI model called VibeVoice. It's a text-to-speech that can do some incredible things, spontaneous emotion, singing, and even a multi-person broadcasts. But here's the most important part: they made it completely open source. It ain't like Microsoft releasing a top-tier model for free. Why would they do that? Is this a gift to the community, or it is a calculated move in the biggest game on the planet? On the surface, VibeVoice look like many of the new models we have seen. It's a transformer-based system using LLM as a backbone, especially a modified Qwen 2.5 1.5B model, which is similar to the Sesame CSM 1B model. I mean, transformer-based models. This is what allows it to be so context-aware and understand the flow of a long conversation. And when it comes to the performance, the 7B version of VibeVoice does not just compete, it tops the charts. According to its own research paper, it surpasses leading models like 11 Labs V3, and it also surpasses some Google models. But the true magic is in its abilities. We are not just talking about the monotone robot voice. VibeVoice can do things that were once the exclusive domain of professional voice actors. Spontaneous emotion. It understands and conveys emotion from the text, going beyond simple tonal shifts.
I can't believe you did it again. I waited for 2 hours. 2 hours! Not a single call, not a text.
Spontaneous singing. It can actually turn text into a song, which is incredible. Emergent ability.
Sing a part of it for you. It's been a long day without you.
Cross-lingual. It can switch from Mandarin to English and back again seamlessly. A huge win for the global market. Long-form conversational speech. It can handle a 90-minute script for different speakers without losing its pace, which is a game changer for podcasts and audiobooks, and which is impressive. I don't think there is any model that can come too close to this model. It's easier to be skeptical of this claim, so let's try it ourselves. First, I am going to run the smaller 1.5B model in a Colab notebook. This is the model you can run on a standard GPU without a massive server, or even with a CPU, but it takes more time.
Can I try VibeVoice with my own example?
Of course. VibeVoice is open source, built to benefit everyone. You're welcome to try it out.
Is that most people get wrong. Imagine I have a function, and there's going to be one special number where if you input it to the function, it returns true, but on Welcome to AI Decoded. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's VibeVoice TTS. Let's decode it together. For more deep dives, don't forget to subscribe.
Truth? Unplug. They know. Decode.
So we know it's powerful and it works, but now we have to ask the most important question: why would Microsoft give this away? Think back to our last video on AI Land Rush. This isn't charity. This is a classic ecosystem builder play, and it's a strategic masterstroke. By making VibeVoice open source, Microsoft is doing 3 things at a time. They are bypassing the marketing wall. They don't need to spend a billions convincing you to try their product. They let the developers who are looking for a free, powerful tool do it for them. They are creating a new standard. By getting developers to use their model, they are essentially making it the go-to architecture for an entire field of AI. This is how we win in the long term, by becoming the invincible plumbing, the utility that everyone relies on. They are creating a Trojan horse. They give away a powerful model to get their foot in the door. Once they have the market saturation, they can monetize through licensing or by selling the cloud services to the millions of developers now building on their framework. So VibeVoice isn't just another tech release, it's a key part of Microsoft's plan to own a massive slice of the future. It's a strategic move dressed up as an act of generosity. If you want to keep decoding the truth behind the headlines, make sure you have subscribed and let me know in the comments what do you think of the strategy. Is open source the ultimate weapon for these tech giants?